Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to add company website to your Intuit QuickBooks account. How to add company website to your Intuit QuickBooks account. Now this is our Intuit QuickBooks account. I want to add a company website to it. How do we do it? This is the name of the company, Richmond Books. So what we do is I click on the name of the company. So open up the manage accounts and settings options, and then from here go to contact info and you can see website. You can see there's nothing in front of it. Just click on the pencil icon there and then you go to website. Don't forget to go to that we show on your sales form. So put in the website. So let's say www.richmondbooks or richbooks.org. If I want to use dot company, you want to use dot org, want to use something different, and then click on save. And it's as simple as that. Quite simple. As you can see, the website has been added, phone number, everything. So once you through that, you click on done, and settings has been saved. That is all you need to do in order to add website or company website to your Intuit account, QuickBooks account. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.